All right, so you see how the lens is just always open? Watch, even when I open it, watch, I mean. You see how like half the lens is like, it doesn't close? Even if I close it, open it, doesn't matter. It's trash, man. And I called Canon up, so I had to worry about the warranty information, man, and get that set up. We're gonna talk about that later, but let me switch back. Yeah, but anyway, man, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what happened with that, man, with the warranty stuff. So stressed out. I'm gonna talk about it later, man. I'm gonna tell you exactly why I didn't get the warranty like I should have from Best Buy. But before that, I gotta go take my car to get an oil change, man. Beast, 2009 Chrysler 300, man. I gotta get an oil change. I'm gonna show you guys the footage of that. Getting an oil change, VIP. See what's happening, man. I've been here before, man. They gave me a free smog check, so I rock with them. Look at this car, bro. Can you guys see this car? Look at this one. God damn. All right, so we back for that. So you guys wait for that. I'm gonna show you guys that whole footage later in a minute, man. And then also I gotta package this camera up and talk about why it's broke, how it broke, why, you know, all that happened or whatever. And I'm gonna ship it off. So I'm gonna be down, you know, without a camera for like 4 or 5 days, 5 weeks, 2 weeks, I don't know. I just wanna get it back before, you know, New Year Day. So I gotta hurry up and do it now. And my warranty is about to expire, but we'll talk about that later. But I'm gonna show you that footage now. Hold on, is this thing on? Yeah. You guys ever ride around with the windows down and the sunroof up, man, when it's 50 degrees outside? Hold on, let me see what it is, so you guys can really see. It's 52 degrees outside, man. The last thing before we get the video started, man, I definitely gave away my giveaway, the little $10 giveaway that I had a couple of weeks ago. I'm gonna show you guys, let me show you on the screen real quick. This is just showing you that I actually had a conversation and gave the guy the Amazon gift card codes or whatever. I'm gonna have another giveaway. Every single month I'm gonna have a giveaway. I'm giving away all my Amazon associates money. So anytime you guys click on the link in the description and buy anything from Amazon, it doesn't have to be what is actually in the description, but if you buy anything from Amazon using those links, they give me like a little small cut. And at the end of the month, I'm just gonna give all that money back away to you guys, man, in the form of a giveaway. But I'm also gonna have other giveaways during the month, like today is what, Thursday? I'll probably post this Thursday or Friday. I'm gonna end it on Monday, man. Only thing you have to do, 3 things. You have to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below after watching the whole video, the safe word. I'm gonna give you guys a safe word later on or whatever, and all you gotta do is comment down below the safe word and, hey, I watched the video, I subscribed, this is a safe word. Or you can say something funny, man. Last time, the guy who won the last giveaway that I did, man, he was the very first one to respond in the comments, man, so he just got it or whatever. But I'm gonna have another giveaway, man, multiple times during the week or whatever, but this video is gonna have a safe word, and just comment down below, subscribe, like, watch the whole video, and you'll be entered. But anyway, man, let's start the video, man. The first thing I'm gonna do is get an oil change, so let's go. Yo, but before we start the video, I just want to let you guys know my whole goal with this video is to throw you around. Like usually the videos, the vlogs, they go from beginning, middle, end, and it's like in a linear form. In linear fashion, it's the same stuff day by hour, day by day. I'm gonna try to mix you guys' mind up, man, so you guys gotta really think of, watch the video.
He needs some milk!
Russ, did you guys lose this game or did the Jazz win this one?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
So this is Beast. Driving to it right now. As you guys know, I fixed the little key thing, so it just automatically opens now with the little code. I gotta have like the little connector piece all the way into the auxiliary port, you know, old school with it. All right, here we go, man. We at the place, man. Cheapest oil change in town, man. Damn, they got a whole bunch of cars here. God damn. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get one. Can I get one here? I'm gonna pull it right in front. Let's see. What's up, bro? We're gonna try, we're just gonna pull it right in front and see if we can get an oil change. I don't know, we're gonna see though. Getting an oil change, VIP, see what's happening. Man, I've been here before, man. They gave me a free smog check, so I rock with them. Well, look at this car, bro. Can you guys see this car? Look at this. God damn. Look at this paint. Look at this ride. This is dope. Superman, was that Spider-Man, DC and Marvel combined. Let's look at the front. This is sick. I don't know if you guys can see. It's got the Superman emblem and it has the Spider-Man logo combined. This is dope. This is crazy. This is sick. BMW, man. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just pick it up on camera. It's so damn sunny. I can't even see it, but this is crazy. This is dope rap, man. Definitely dope, man. It's pink Cadillac. Anyway, man, we back on, man. The oil change is done at the shop. It was like 13 bucks. I don't know if I'm gonna show the paper and all that type of stuff, man. Pretty much we got it done. I gotta go switch this camera out, man, because every time I look at the lens, man, it's like it's coming down or whatever, and it just doesn't look good, man. But I'm gonna switch around and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly why my ass is so damn cheap and I should have did something that shipping this goddamn camera back, man. So I'm gonna switch it out, man. So anyway. I like them type of cars, man. Look at the rims, man. Look at the color. I like it. It's dope. Look to where it's sitting up in comparison to all the other cars. You can tell he put money into it, man. Old car like that, keep it running, man, with the wheels and all that, man. All right, man, we in the 2018 Chrysler 300, man. Let me show you guys the outside, because for tax reasons, man, I'm trying to get a business license, so I got to feature my car in every video, man, so it's a write-off. Anyway, though, 2018 Chrysler 300, man. This is called Spartacus, man. The other one is called Beast. Start modding this up, man, once I get the other one, everything situated and all that straight, man. But while you're looking at this one, man, I'm gonna try to sneak in some mods with the other one. But anyway, man, life is a continuous cycle of issues and drama and stress and all that type of stuff, man. Like every time I get to a new level in life, I think like, yeah, I'm straight, like I'm good, like I can relax, I can chill out. And then that motherfucking level be more stressful than the last one. Let me put this lens up. It'd be more stressful than the last one, man. It's like every time I get some, or I acquire some, or I get some goal or accomplishment, it's like I'm more stressed about keeping it than I was getting it. You know, the journey is like the best part. Once you get it, it's like, if I lose it, I'm a scrub. Like you don't want to go back, you know? So just like, even if you bring up this camera stuff, the stuff that like this camera thing right now, right? You know, when I was recording just on my regular cell phone, I had to worry about the lens breaking, the shutter speed, all that type of stuff, the quality, all that. But now it's like, since this camera's broke, I gotta send it off, so I gotta worry about packaging, I gotta make sure all this is straight. It's just a constant struggle, man. Like, I used to think back in the day, like life, once you get cool, once you get money, I'm not even talking about my money because I'm broke as shit, but I mean, you know, you think like once you get rich, once you get, you know, your family, your kids, all that type of stuff, you straight, you can just sit back and relax. But I can see now how it's more stressful on keeping that stuff alive, because once you get everything, you wanna keep it, you know? So it's like, man, I'm constantly like realizing like, this feeling that you have, or the feeling that I have about like not having enough and stressing out and worrying and, you know, keep grinding and working. Like, when is work gonna stop? When am I? It's never gonna stop. It's never gonna stop. You gotta enjoy it, man. So I've been embracing the last couple of days on every issue that I've had, every journey, every problem, every struggle, man. Like I've said in my other videos, I've never had a bad day in my life. And if I had a bad day, I got through it because I'm here. So that's what, every time I think about something, that's what I think about, man. So anyway, man, we gotta go package up this camera. I'm gonna switch it up, man, so you guys can see like the camera in the box and everything, but we gotta get to a UPS store, man, so I can get this back ASAP. You know, I had to get insurance, I gotta ship it, I gotta get a box and all that type of stuff, man. So I don't know how long I'll be down, but hopefully it's not too long, but we'll see what happens, man. Just part of the journey, man. Just part of the experience, and hopefully you guys rock with it, man. And also, the safe word is 600, man. I pick you, you win $5. And the kicker is, on Monday, man, I'm so close to 500 subs. I'm so close. All you guys got to do is sub down below, sub, tell a friend, share, all that type of stuff. And if I get to 600 subs, I'm going to double it. So it'll be $10, you know? I know it ain't a lot, but it's something. You ain't got to do nothing. I'm not asking you to buy no shirt, no, you know, no merch, no nothing like that, man. You know, you just got to comment, share, like, and just subscribe or whatever. But anyway, we're gonna go, man. We're gonna get it. Hold on, is this thing on? Yeah. You guys ever ride around with the windows down and the sunroof up, man, when it's 50 degrees outside? Hold on, let me see what it is, so you guys can really see. It's 52 degrees outside, man, but I'm running around with the heater on, man. Comment down below if you rolling around with the heater on when it's cold outside, with the windows down, with the sunroof up, with the sun out, all that type of stuff, man. You don't care. I'm sending out the camera now, man. This is a bad day, bad situation, man. Comment down below, man, if I'm packaging this wrong. You know, it's a sad day. I'm just trying to send it out, man. I'm gonna be down for a couple of days, man, so I'm gonna have to make videos on my cell phone when I need to. So, because if I get to 500 subs by Monday, I'm gonna double the giveaway amount, man. So whoever win, all you gotta do is subscribe, like, comment, and put the safe word. You know, if you win, you get $5, but if I get to 500 subs by then and you help out, man, you get 10, you know. But all right, man, but that's pretty much it, man. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great weekend, man. I'm gonna see you guys on Monday for sure. Anything else, man, comment down below. Then probably 15 minutes I'm gonna respond, man. So anyway, man, Mr. 300, man, subscribe down below. Love you guys. Look.